Welcome back MH Car Review. Today we are looking at something that honestly does not look like anything else on the road right now. This is a futuristic double-decker luxury motorhome concept for 2026, and by the time you finish watching this video, you will understand why this thing is breaking the internet. Let us get straight into it. Starting with the exterior, the first thing you notice is the sheer scale of this machine. It is built like a two-story home on wheels, but the design language is pure sports car. The front fascia is smooth and aerodynamic, wrapped in a pearl white finish that almost looks like liquid metal under studio lighting. The headlamp strip is a thin glowing amber gold line that curves across the nose, giving it an almost robotic face when it lights up at night. The windshield is massive and curved, wrapping upward into the roofline, which means the driver gets a nearly panoramic view of the road ahead. That is something you rarely see on a vehicle this large. Moving to the sides, the proportions are what really sell the concept. The lower deck houses the driving cabin and a compact living space, while the upper deck sits like a glass box on top, filled with tinted windows that run almost the entire length of the vehicle. There is a thin gold trim line that runs from the front all the way to the rear, tying the whole design together and giving it a premium, tailored look rather than looking like a bulky camper van. The wheels deserve a special mention too. Instead of the usual chunky RV tires, this concept rolls on low-profile alloy wheels with a multi-spoke design and amber LED underglow around the wheel arches. It genuinely looks more like a supercar wheel than anything you would expect on a motorhome. At the rear, the design stays consistent. You get a wraparound LED taillight strip, another panoramic window that lets you see straight into the upper lounge from outside, and a fold-out staircase that lights up automatically when the door opens. It is a small detail, but it adds so much to the experience, especially at night when the whole staircase glows amber as you step out. Now let us talk about the interior, because this is where the concept really tries to justify that word luxury in its name. Once you step inside, the first space you walk into on the lower deck is the kitchen area. It is compact but very well thought out, with glossy white cabinetry, gold-trimmed handles, and an integrated induction cooktop. There is warm LED strip lighting tucked under the cabinets, and the countertop has a marble effect finish that looks far more expensive than anything you would expect in a vehicle. Right next to the kitchen, the driving cockpit continues that same theme. The dashboard is curved and wraps around the driver, with ambient amber lighting running along the edges and a floating touchscreen display sitting front and center. The steering wheel is a simple two-spoke design, and the seats are finished in a soft white and champagne gold leather combination that matches the exterior color scheme perfectly. Head up the staircase to the second level, and the vehicle completely changes character. This upper deck feels less like a motorhome and more like a private jet cabin. There is a spacious lounge area with a plush white sofa featuring gold piping along the edges, a floating center table, and skylights built into the ceiling that flood the space with natural light during the day. At night, the same amber cove lighting from downstairs continues up here, creating a warm and consistent atmosphere throughout the entire vehicle. Toward the rear of the upper deck sits the bedroom, and honestly this might be the most impressive part of the whole build. It features a platform bed with soft white and gold bedding, curved panoramic windows on both sides with sheer blinds for privacy, and a built-in wardrobe with brushed gold handles. It genuinely feels like a five-star hotel suite rather than a bedroom inside a moving vehicle. Now for performance, and this is where we have to be honest with you. Since this is a concept design rather than a released production model, official performance numbers, battery range, or motor output have not been confirmed yet. What we can tell you based on the design is that the aerodynamic shaping, low-profile tires, and lightweight body panel suggest this concept is aiming for efficiency despite its massive size, which is a big challenge for any double-decker vehicle like this. If this design does move toward production, expect the manufacturer to focus heavily on electric or hybrid powertrains, given how the industry is trending in 2026. As for pricing, again there is no official number released for this concept yet. But if we look at similar ultra-luxury motorhome builds with this level of detail, custom interior work, and this much glass and lighting integration, you are likely looking at a price tag well into six figures, and possibly even higher once you factor in the double-decker structure and all the bespoke interior finishing. So that is our full breakdown of this 2026 futuristic luxury double-decker concept. It is bold, it is unlike anything else currently on the market, and honestly it blurs the line between a vehicle and a moving luxury apartment. Let us know in the comments what you think about this design, and whether you would want to see something like this actually go into production. As always, this has been MH Car Review. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.